everyone. Hello, hello. Come on in. I am Coach Tammy. I am with Polka Dot Wreath Co. in Springfield, Missouri. And I've got some preparations I need to make, but I am going to be preparing for some fall shows. Okay, so I'm going to, and I know where the center is, so I'm just going to pop this on there. All right. Please, God, do not let, okay, I had the right size of staples. So I was like, oh no, did I forget? No, I did not forget. Okay, I just wanted to make sure that that was going to hang, and it was going to hang properly. You know what I don't have here that I thought I brought back, but I didn't. So we'll just use the Bodabra. I bought one of these little guys. So I do lots of these. These are some of my favorite door hangers that Damon did. Fall is for football and pumpkin spice. They just happen to be in the Chiefs colors. Like, they just happen to be, and I love them. Anyway, we're going to be making some bows. And I usually do not use this little guy. I usually use my Easy Bow Maker. So I'm just winging it. I've never had instructions on this. So if I'm doing it wrong, I'm doing what works for me. So just love me through it. All right, y'all. So I'm just going to put this in here and twist it. I'm doing it just like I do the Easy Bow. Hoping it's right. I'm going to kind of measure over here. I don't want a Nellie Olson bow on these, but I do want a nice, pretty bow. Those look like they are good to go. All right, now I'm going to lay that one flat. Okay, so I'm just going to throw a tail in here. I like the black and the white always. Anytime I do any football wreath, I try to throw a little black and white in there. I just think it really adds to it. I am going to add some yellow. I add polka dots red on top of polka dots. I always have, I always will. I'm just going to put it down. Oh, that did not stay the way it was supposed to. Don't love that feature. Okay. Y'all, I normally don't use the Bodabra, but I'll use whatever bow trick I can find right now, because my Easy Bow Maker is at my house, both of them. Okay, so I'm always going to put the football one on top. This may be a little bit too big for our cup of cheer, but that's too bad. That's what it's getting today, is a bigger than life bow. Yeah, I laid it wrong. Because why? Because that's the things I do. Because I don't generally deal with this. Okay, so I'm just going to grab this. I'm going to stick it between my index finger and my middle finger. God knows I've used that a lot lately. Y'all. Alright, so I have a big bow. It's kind of a little bit bigger than what I really wanted it, but I will fix it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is grab my stapler. I'm doing this pretty cattywampus, making sure. You know what I didn't do? Okay, before I do this, real quick, I'm going to do it. I did not hide that zip tie, and it's going to drive me crazy. So I'm going to hide it real quick. Get that heated up. But in the meantime, I've already stapled that one side down. So I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to wrap that little tootie tootie. Actually, you know what? You don't even have to glue it if you don't want. You can tie it. I tie it a lot. Let me get this lined up. Let me get a little thinner of a piece. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie it in the front, and then I'm going to put a little fun bobble. I'm just trying to hide the majority of that zip tie. Okay, just a little fun. And then if you don't have, I'm looking over here, if you don't have a glitter ball, I usually take one whole pick and cut all those off because I can. Anyway, I think I'm going to do that. Okay, so I'm going to cattywampus this bad boy. If not, you have these little jewels you can get at Hobby Lobby. Making sure not to cut my phalanges or stab myself. Okay. I always try to move it to the side so when I do get everything stapled in there properly, that it's not going to move. Alright, so now I'm going to cut these a little bit shorter. I'm folding them like a taco, cutting them towards the sunshine. I just want them a little bit shorter. Okay. These usually take like 5 minutes to do when you're preparing for a craft show. And it doesn't take that long. Where's the hole? You always want to put the glue on the hole. There it goes. Glob that stinker on there. And then just fit it right over that. I like to pull up on my ribbons as I go. Now, I will tell you that I'm not trying to hide the football or any of the words, so I usually try to spread this out a little bit. Now that's a big, now I will tell you this as well. If you think this is too big, or you have a loop that's too big, which I don't like that loop being that big, I just open that loop up and I cut it. So keep in mind, if you think there's a loop that's too big, even after you glue it down, because I will glue these in position. Not always, you can staple them, but a lot of times I just glue them. There, that one loop was way too big for my liking. And these are great to put on just a grid wall or something super simple.